Welcome back to the channel. We're on the beach, walking our little dog. I'm Ashley, his girlfriend, and we're just enjoying a good weekend. So we're out on Damon's Point. We've stayed here a couple of times. This is where we were at New Year's when the wind was all crazy, but now the wind isn't too bad. The sun's out, and it's pretty nice out.
Alright, morning guys. It is day 3. We're supposed to leave tomorrow. I'm thinking we might stay an extra day. Having fun, kind of got the place to ourselves. There's quite a few campers, but a lot of them I think are just here like long term, so there's not a lot of people here. Got some cool neighbors. They got a little Arctic Fox 811. I think it's like a 2015 or something, so pretty cool. Nice people, retired couple. Might do some putt-putt today. We're gonna do a nice dinner, maybe do some steaks tonight. I'm gonna do breakfast. We got eggs, avocado, and hash brown patties. Best thing. Well, we just left putt-putt. Why don't you tell them who won, babe? She was winning at first. But the master came through strong and pulled it off. We're gonna go check on the dog, hit the beach, and make some lunch at the camper. Alright guys, just talked to the manager. We're going to stay another night. So it is Monday today. We're going to stay tonight. We're supposed to leave tomorrow, but we're going to stay, and then we're going to be headed out Wednesday. We're going to go down some roads I haven't been down in a while. We're in Ocean Shores, so we're going to kind of go down the coast towards like the Raymond area. I haven't been there in a long time. I used to travel there for work. Kind of cool little coastal towns in the middle of nowhere. So we're gonna go down there and then kick out around Chehalis, do some shopping for the girlfriend's birthday and the outlets, and then we're gonna hit up Highway 12. Oh man, it's been a good day. All that little wind fog area kicked out. Been good. It's only 58 degrees, but the sun is shining. Rolling solo right now. Gonna go over to Dugan's Pizza, pick up my order. Got a Dugan special and chicken wings and garlic bread. That's pretty much what we always get. Don't know if this is going to be 2 videos, 1 video. I'm not really sure. Haven't been the most consistent filming. Just kind of hanging out, and we'll see what happens when I make the videos. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, guys. And then we are leaving Wednesday, and we are going to cruise around and do some shopping, and then we're gonna end down in Packwood. Probably have 2-3 videos coming up from this trip, and then we'll see what happens in Naches. Got some friends coming, and then I think we're gonna get, I got 1 video I'm gonna do for like a year-round kind of review, and then I'm also gonna do a review of what I wish I had on this camper. There's some stuff now, as I've used it for about a year, that I kind of wish I had. Nothing I can't add, nothing you know, deal breaking, just little odds and ends. And then we'll do the 1-year review. Might get Ashlee on the video to get her take, and yeah, it should be good. So take care, guys, and we will see you either in another video or this video will just keep going. So thanks for watching. Okay guys, sun's down, fire's up. We're gonna hang out. We're gonna probably end the video here. The next time we will be on the move to Packwood from Ocean Shores. Thanks for watching. This is probably just gonna be 1 video of all the film I have. We'll see how it works out. Probably not gonna film tomorrow, and then we will be on the move Wednesday morning and headed to Packwood through Chehalis, and then after that we will be headed to Naches for another video. So thanks for watching, and
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification button so you have more chances to see all of our videos.
something like that. Okay, bye guys.